concept, right? That is most important. The concept to teach teachers rather than students. When you start teaching teachers, it's like you are developing a treasure. You can harvest that for many years, and those teachers will again generate many generations.
Teachers are supposed to change. They are driving the journey. You see,
Correct.
They are changing the lives of people. And I was very happy to learn from you the idea of gamification.
So engaging, full of fun and everything. So thank you so much.
So I'm really, because I believe nothing is impossible if you dare to try. So
Correct.
thanks for motivating and inspiring us to learn that. So I'll go back and practice few things. I'm going to really apply.
You have seriously given us a different scenario into our teaching and learning process. So this was really very fruitful and interesting session for us. And I would like to mention that yesterday and today I was incorporating few of your activities into my class, and my students were so excited, and they were very enthusiastically participated in all my activities.